how to do the paper roller cleaning in your Canon Pixma G5020 printer. We have to go to the back side of the printer. At the back of the printer, lift this section or the tray like this, and here we can see there is an option to open this section. Press this button and just remove it. Now in case you have any kind of paper jam, you can remove the paper from this side. So once you see this section, that is the area where we can access the paper roller, that is here. We can slide this tray out. So just lift it little bit up and take it out. That's how it looks like. Now you can clean it properly. Even for the replacement, you can take this part and then you have to just unscrew all the parts and then we can place the new one. So just clean all of these. Sometimes the dust is there and it makes the paper to stick or not move properly. Once you do the cleaning, now we have to put it back. To put it back, just make sure this should be facing down. Place it here and move it in. It will go to its normal position. Place this cover. One end enters here. Once it is installed properly, then you can just press it. It is locked. Now you can slide the paper tray down. So that is the rear paper tray. Thanks for watching.